What if you could create realistic images with AI and turn them into animated video scenes in just a few clicks? In Filmora 15, the new Nano Banana 2 AI image generator lets creators generate high-quality images directly in the editor, and then animate them using AI image-to-video tools like Veo 3.1 and Sora 2. In this tutorial, I'll show you how it works. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Step 1. Open AI image generation. Start by opening Filmora 15. On the left panel, go to Stock Media, then open the AI Media section. Here you'll find several AI tools, including AI Image. At the top, you'll see 3 generation options: Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, Standard 2.0, Select Nano Banana 2. This is the most advanced option and supports higher quality AI image generation, including 1K, 2K, and even 4K image outputs. Step 2. Generate a realistic AI image. At the bottom of the panel, you'll see a prompt input box. Here you can describe the image you want to generate. For example, a cinematic news reporter holding a microphone in a rainy city street at night, soft blue lighting, realistic photography style, realistic skin tone, 8K, 50mm lens used. After entering your prompt, click on Settings and choose the resolution and aspect ratio for your image, then click on Generate AI Image. Filmora will process the prompt and create an image based on your description. Once image generated, click on Download button to download the generated image. What's impressive about Nano Banana 2 is how realistic the generated images look. It can produce detailed facial features, realistic lighting and shadows, natural textures, cinematic depth. This makes it very useful for creating thumbnails, concept scenes, storytelling visuals, background images. Step 3. Animate the image with AI image to video. Now let's take things one step further. Filmora allows you to animate these generated images using AI image to video. Go to the AI Media section again and select Image to Video. Here you'll see 2 powerful AI animation engines, Veo 3.1 and Sora 2. These models analyze your image and generate motion based on a prompt. Upload or select the image you generated with Nano Banana 2. Then enter a motion prompt. For example, camera slowly pushes towards the reporter while rain falls and city lights glow in the background. Reporter says, "Stay inside and stay calm as it's raining heavily here for the last 48 hours. Climate changed drastically. No subtitles." Then go to the setting and choose the resolution, duration, and aspect ratio for your video. Then click on Generate. Once you start the generation, the AI will animate the image and create a short video clip. This transforms a static AI image into a dynamic cinematic scene. Let's play the video.
Stay inside and stay calm as it's raining heavily here for the last 48 hours. Climate changed drastically.
Step 4. Edit the generated video. After the animation is generated, import the clip into your timeline. Now you can enhance it using Filmora's editing tools. You can add effects, apply color grading, add background music, include captions or titles. Because everything happens inside Filmora, you don't need to switch between multiple AI tools. Let's take a look at the final video.
Stay inside and stay calm as it's raining heavily here for the last 48 hours. Climate changed drastically.
Step 5. Creative use cases. Using Nano Banana 2 together with AI image to video opens many creative possibilities. Creators can generate animated storytelling scenes, unique intro visuals, AI-generated B-roll, thumbnail images that match the video style. This makes it much easier to create visuals even if you don't have original footage. The new Nano Banana 2 AI image generator in Filmora 15 lets creators generate realistic images directly in the editor. When combined with AI image to video using Veo 3.1 or Sora 2, those images can be easily transformed into animated video scenes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.